Hello everyone, welcome back to my Dear Earth Love Francis YouTube channel. And today is day 17. And since I'm doing a lot of random stuff about climate change and biodiversity, um, today I'm gonna niche down on a particular topic and focus more on this so that I can provide more value for you guys and hopefully solve some problems and provide solutions for this. Okay? So, if you're wondering what topic I'm gonna deep dive on, uh, I'm gonna refine my niche to impact investing in AI. Okay? So, as someone deeply rooted in the fields of AI, entrepreneurship, and sustainability, I always felt a sense of responsibility to use my skills and knowledge for something greater. But as I sit down to make this video, I realized that I never truly defined my niche. So that's the reason why this changes today. So moving forward, I'll be discussing more on impact investing and AI. So that could be, let's see here, it could be like talking about climate change, it could be social inequality and economic instability. And I'll be also discussing about um, building different kinds of AI driven platforms that can identify the most effective deforestation methods, for example, or optimizing resource allocation in agriculture, or even predict social outcomes based on policy changes. All right. So, for you guys who might think that this could be too much of a techie and scientific thing, I'll try to make this my daily video into a lesser mode or maybe a friendly mode of video so that you guys can easily understand my topics on impact investing and AI. So yes, so that you would easily understand my videos moving forward. Okay. So I guess I discussed all the things that I'm going to deep dive on in the coming days. So if you have any particular questions about impact investing in AI, you can comment down below and message me so that, or maybe you have some tips and advice too that could be very helpful to my channel as well. So please do so. So as I embark on this journey, niching down on impact investing and AI, I'll be sharing insights, trends, and stories on how AI can be leveraged for social good and how impact investors can support this transformation. So for impact investors out there, angel investors, or high net worth individuals, you may listen to this video YouTube channel, and I hope you can get some tips and advices from me from my YouTube channel and start something that is going to be inspiring for you and impactful and also profitable in some way. Okay, so I think I discussed all the things I need to point out here. So I'm refining again my niche so that it will be more focused on impact investing in AI. And yeah, I guess that's about it. And I'll talk to you again tomorrow. All right.